In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Qatar Airways flight date online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on the website, what details to enter, and how to find the option to move your trip to a new date with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to QatarAirways.com. Using a desktop or laptop makes the process a little easier to see, though mobile works too. If you're shown a regional version of the site, that's fine, the steps are the same. On the homepage, look for the Manage or Check-in section in the main navigation. This is where Qatar Airways keeps tools for viewing your booking, checking in, and making changes. Go into that section and choose Manage Booking. You're now in the right place to pull up your reservation. Next, you'll be asked for your booking reference. This is a 6-character code made of letters and numbers, often called a PNR. You can find it on your confirmation email or e-ticket receipt. Type it exactly as shown without spaces. Then enter the passenger's last name exactly as it appears on the ticket. Pay attention to spelling, hyphens, and any special characters. Matching what's on the booking helps the system find your reservation instantly. Once those two fields are filled, select the option to retrieve your booking. The system will load your itinerary details, including flight segments, dates, and passenger information. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the correct reservation, especially if you manage multiple trips. From here, look for the option to change your flight date. It may appear as change flight, change date, or something similar within your itinerary. Selecting it will bring up available dates for your route. You'll typically see a calendar or a list of options that match your origin and destination. As you explore different dates, the site will display any fare differences or change fees that apply based on your original ticket rules. Some discounted or award tickets have restrictions, and if your booking was made through a third party, change options might be limited online. Choose the date that works for you and review the summary carefully. Make sure connections, if any, are reasonable and that the new timing still suits your plans. If there is an additional cost, the site will prompt you to complete payment before finalizing the change. After confirming, you should receive an updated itinerary by email. Keep that confirmation handy and verify that the new date appears correctly. That's all you need to adjust your travel date on Qatar Airways online. If something doesn't appear as expected, try re-entering your details exactly as on the ticket or check your fare rules for restrictions. Safe travels.